Cause y'all lying to me. I see scratches on him. He got a cut on his knee. Something been going on.
We said we weren't fighting.
All right, don't y'all bullshitting. Somebody been scratching on his chest. Something been going on.
Yeah, she trying to signal with her eyes. Like,
okay, but he got scratches on him.
Stand still for a second.
I'm sorry, but I don't. We were not.
Y'all lying to me.
I'm not lying.
Y'all playing me like I'm stupid.
I'm not trying to play you like this.
Yes, you are.
You got the blood from his knee all over your. All over.
So this the last time I'm gonna ask y'all what's going on one more time.
Officer, I promise we were not fighting. We were in an argument. Please, 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 please. Oh my God, this is extreme. I cannot go to jail.
she got the eyes of a scared dog.
I cannot go to
Like
jail.
an untrustworthy, scared dog.
First name, last name, date of birth.
What's your first name?
Shazai.
You can't hear?
Spell it.
SHUZIACLE.
CLE.
Officer, we're not fighting. And I don't want to get arrested. What would I be getting arrested for?
Right now it's obstruction because you're lying.
One last time.
I can see all the physical evidence on his chest and
But we're literally
everything.
telling you we're not
No,
fighting.
yes y'all were. Okay.
We weren't.
Something happened. Y'all was making physical contact with
No,
each
we
other.
weren't.
Yes, you were.
Officer,
I tell you, we gonna let a judge figure it out.
No, please.
The other officer, like, he doing too much. You could tell.
So you ain't gonna tell me your name?
Officer, I cannot. I cannot. We were not fighting.
You're not gonna tell me your name?
If we were saying we weren't fighting.
One last time for your last name.
How can I get arrested for
One last time for your last name, or you're going to go to jail for.
Give on some your information. These your keys? Huh?
It feels so. It's degrading. Like it's like you just touching. You just all of my person. Like this. It's just weird with the whole police shit, man. I swear, because it is so degrading, man. It is so degrading. They just feel they could just do whatever they want, touch you up, take whatever they want from you, tell you can't go in your own home, all types of stuff when things be happening. Like you be working your ass off and some bullshit happening, and then now you